You've heard of beard oil out there, maybe even beard color out there, but not many men really know that beard wash exists apart from your typical scalp shampoo. Dedicated beard shampoos or beard washes are becoming more and more popular now, especially when people consider the difference between something like a dedicated beard wash and a typical scalp shampoo. And a lot of guys out there ask the question about whether or not their beard is going to get the same amount of cleaning when you just run it under some hot water and the runoff from the shampoo from your hair or something gets in there or whatever. And the answer is no. So today we're going to be talking about the differences between beard wash and shampoo and why you really don't want to be using shampoo on your beard. Okay, here's the thing. The hair in your beard is not the same as the hair that grows on your head. Not only is beard hair connected to a far more sensitive piece of skin on your body than the hair on your scalp is, but beard hair tends to be coarser, it tends to be thicker, and it tends to be curlier when it grows than your scalp hair does. You see, hair follicles dictate the way the hair grows and the way it behaves. And when there are differences between those areas of hair, they need different things. You see, beards, because they're naturally thicker and curlier and tangle more often, need a product that can soften it and give you some kind of relief from that really sandpaperish feeling beard without drying it out. The hair on your head tends to be a lot softer anyway, so you can get away with cleaning it with harsher chemicals. But the hair in your beard will suffer from a lot of dryness, it'll suffer from flaking, irritation, redness, breakouts if it gets too dry. Not to mention things like split ends and premature hair falling out just because it doesn't have the oil to keep it elastic and strong. This is why beard washes are designed to be gentler. They're designed to be used actually less often than shampoos, usually only 2 to 3 times a week for most beards out there, but also not only to strip away any oils, because believe it or not, oils are naturally a good thing for your beard to have, but to strip away just the clumps of skin cells, dirt, debris, whatever it is that the excess oil sometimes causes. So what is it you want to look for in a good beard wash? The main thing you want to avoid is sulfates. Sulfates are the chemically created man-made salts that are really effective cleaners, 2 effective cleaners actually, but also foaming agents, and also they're cheap. That's why everyone uses them. The problem is they're so good at cleaning, they will dry out pretty much anything they touch, including, but not limited to, your beard hair. Sulfate-free beard washes usually use something called sulfonates, which sound very much the same but are totally different. Sulfonates, for lack of a better description, are the naturally derived kind of version of sulfates, but are much more gentle when used on your skin and your hair. And in this way will not dry out those things nearly as easily. Not to mention sulfonates are often naturally derived in a lot of different things. For example, our sulfonates in that beard wash are naturally derived from coconuts, like seriously. So that's the rundown when it comes to washing your beard and why you should use a beard wash. But what about conditioning your beard? This is pretty obvious. Everyone's heard of beard oil before, and that is what you should use. After all, even though you use a gentle shampoo, it'll still keep some of the oils in your beard, but maybe you suffer from extremely dry skin and a dry beard, which I often do, and so I often have to use not only the gentle beard wash, but also something like a beard oil or a beard balm. When you look for a beard oil, what you want to make sure is that the beard oil is a light to medium beard oil. If it's too viscous, if it's too thick, it's going to lay on really heavy in your beard, it'll be sticky, it'll feel tacky in your fingers, and it just overall won't be comfortable. Lighter beard oils are absorbed really fast by your beard hair. So the moment you put them on, you're going to start to feel your beard hair getting softer noticeably. But the good thing is, it's also going to absorb quicker in your skin, and it's not going to feel that kind of sticky tackiness that you would get from something like a heavier beard oil. So overall, what you're going to find is that by using a dedicated beard wash and a dedicated conditioning oil like a beard oil, for your beard, the way it was meant to be, your beard is not only going to feel and look healthier, but the chances are your beard is going to grow longer increases because you are not damaging your beard or allowing your beard to get damaged by things like split ends or other things that can be caused by excess dryness that shampoos often give. So overall, if you guys enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe. If you guys are curious about the products I mentioned in this video, or maybe if you don't want to search for the things I mentioned before and you just want to go one place where you can get light beard oil, where you can get sulfate-free natural beard wash that's gentle and it's going to do the trick, then you're going to want to head down to that description, click the link over to voltgrooming.com and find all that stuff over there. I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have tips, tricks, anything that you use that maybe works for your beard, leave those down in the comments. We'd like to see what you guys use and all the inventive and interesting things that people have found that works for them. And in the meantime, we will see you guys in the next full video.